Yeah, practice. How you have her in there, the basics.
My sister, my best friend, my G, I'm a charge. Me now go sell you out in your body. Go best friend, that's my best friend. Go best friend.
Good day guys, and welcome back to my room again. Alright, so I was basically playing with makeup today, but I was going to upload my school project as I told you guys, but I decided I'm not going to upload it. I'm going to put it on for Showtime Sunday. Yeah. And so since basically in the multiverse, and I said okay, let's put it on for Showtime Sunday since it is more like a show, and I'm still making tweaks to the school project, even though the school project was basically just 5 minutes. So I do have 5 minutes of the school project talking about Anansi and Tiger riding horse. I do have that, but I decided to tweak it a bit to make it more show-like for you guys. So yeah, so that's why I'm not putting it up, and I'm gonna basically put it up on Showtime Sunday and all that. But I am going to show you basically in this vlog a sneak peek of it, so you guys will get basically see the sneak peek of what we submitted for our school project and all that. So yeah, so basically this is the sneak peek.
There are many stories about Anansi, and many of those stories also feature his friend, Tiger. And usually we find out Anansi has annoyed Tiger, and then another story happens. This one is called Anansi's Old Riding Horse. And it goes like this. Once upon a time, a long, long time ago, Anansi and Tiger and all the other, and there was one particular lady who they all liked. Her name was Miss Selena.
So yeah, you guys saw the sneak peek. I hope you guys enjoy the sneak peek of what I'm showing you. As I said, I am going to show it as a show for Showtime Sunday and all that. But the reason why I haven't been consistent or constant on basically my channel Rosa Lawrence JM is because I am swamped with different projects that I am working on right now. So I'm basically working on several projects. I am working on a project with a YouTuber friend, Prime Emoji Prime, right? So I'm working on a project with him, and so I haven't been basically focusing on making vlogs for the multiverse because I am basically helping him out, and I'm going to show you what I've been working on with him, some sneak peek of what we're working on. But you can go to his channel when the show drop and you can watch it there as well. But yeah, so these are some of the clips that I got from being on set of what I've been working on with him. So people were here, and you know me like turn on my camera behind the scenes.
Hello.
You know Prime already from Asian Man. I can never set my camera properly, say blurry or whatever. And
hello.
no, talking that they really talk.
No, this is how we're speaking for set today. Man's getting himself in character. Peaky Blinders and that.
Okay, alright. Anyway, I'm going to this accent. What's your name, sir?
Mikey.
Mikey.
Yeah.
And Trev.
I'm a young boy.
Say hi.
Hi. What's going on, everybody?
What's your brother British accent? Okay, whatever. So we are on set. We're listening to music. Big time musician there.
I'm the same thing, so I don't date things. Just keep for a dating. Just not into this aching. Just play my heart. Painting. You're sitting over there with a plane. I know my gal them fly. Plane thing. The gal keep rating. Cause I shine like the sun. Rating. She running up the wall and hating. Had her a hello. Hating. Then I disappear. Hating. Hey. Tells me what's me, I'm not shy. Don't call me Ash, I'm not daddy. So that y'all call me father. Make your wife disappear when I pass. Shaking up her body like laughter. Spinning her around like calm. Bora, I explore. Body like I'm Dora. When you tryna call her, that girl honest.
Focus on this. You got it.
Yeah, practice. How you have her in there, the basic.
Rating, she wanna know what I'm hating. Tryna write hello, hating. Then disappear me with hating. Tells me what's me and I'm not daddy.
And as you guys can see, his set is really fun. Meeting all of my friends from before is nice, and getting to see their growth and their development, and also basically meeting new persons and new characters or new individual on his set is always nice to blend and have this chemistry with different people, because even when you're doing acting or doing movies, chemistry with cast is always needed. Not saying that everybody's gonna get along, but the chemistry is one thing that makes the show flows better and makes certain type of scenes play out way better. Yeah. So I'm working on his project as well. I think I finished all of my scenes on his project, but also I'm helping out on another project. As you can see, I've been working with DJ. Well, I'm about to. Well, I started sending him over stuff, but as in for shooting, I haven't started shooting yet. And so I'm going to basically be shooting on his project, and that's DJ Shaka. You guys saw him in my sister vlog where she was basically doing her music exam, right? But you won't see it in YouTube as well. So I'll be helping him out with his YouTube projects and some of his side projects as well. I basically show you him in the vlog. This is a piece of him. So guys, as I said, I'm in studio and I'm here with
DJ Shaka, you know it's best for the mix.
right in studio thing. So we're gonna basically mostly do some of his vlogs or his skits or his shows or whatever he plans to do in this music studio room. So that's basically we're gonna basically do some of his project and everything. But for now, those are the 3 projects I'm working on, and I might entwine those with my multiverse vlogs, and all that. But I'm trying to wrap up multiverse vlogs right now in the multiverse. I'm trying to wrap them up because I have other things coming up and I want to show you guys them. But right about now we're still in the multiverse. So because we're in the multiverse now, I am trying to do my best to show you guys multiverse. And then when this, you know, can't vlog anymore of this season or this series, I'm gonna basically move on to something else. But yeah, so I'm trying to wrap up as best as I possibly can and still give you guys my life and somewhat entertainment while we're here in the multiverse. Alright, but yeah, so that for now. So for now, I'll see you guys on my next vlog, and I hope you guys enjoy as much as I can show you sneak peeks of all the projects that I am working on. Alright, and yeah, and if you're new to this channel, because I realize that I've never said that, but if you're new to this channel and you're watching me for the first time, thank you guys very much for watching. And if you see anything on this channel that you like, please remember to subscribe, like, comment down below so I can know that you are a new viewer. And for all my old time subscribers, thank you guys for always watching. Thank you guys for coming in back when you guys have a chance to watch and to check out these vlogs, these videos that I've been doing. Because of you guys' support, and you know that I'm constantly doing this, and I love showing you guys my life. I love showing you different adventures that are happening, whether here in the multiverse or overall on Rose and Lawrence JM channel. I like showing you guys all of that. Anyway, with all that said, I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye bye. Bye bye.